What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is October the 2nd, 2nd of October. And I stopped at the P.O. box to see if I got any mail. And I have received some mail in the mail. So I decided to do an unboxing of it and let's see who it is. It don't have no name. It just got a postage on there. I think I know who it is, who it's from. But we're gonna do the unboxing of it right now. So make sure you get one of these handy dandies. It's a Westcott. It's it cuts everything dealing with the mail and stuff. This right here, it has another envelope inside of it. Let's see what it is. I went to the mailbox like last week and it wasn't there. There's another envelope. This right here, it said 100. It said 100. It's a mint. 100 Republican of a mini. It's a corn. I know what it's from. This right here. Let me see if I can get it in the camera. There you go. Yeah, I can see it. I got this from ULearn With Robert. So I did a giveaway on his channel. It was like the first person who leave a comment on his video was able to win, and I was one of the winners because I was the first one that left a comment. And I also share him out because he give you all these tips and stuff about stocks and everything. He didn't put his name on here, but I noticed from ULearn With Robert. So I definitely appreciate it, ULearn With Robert. I will also let you know in an email and let you know that I received this. So make sure y'all go check him out, show him some love, show him some support. I will have his information in the description. So with that being said, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And remember, fitness is key. Ooh wee. You see that? See that? So with that being said, peace and hair grease, y'all. Take care.